So this is the 78 RPM record case that I restored, and the color I painted it is called Saint Tropaz. I thought it looked better than that milk chocolate and hot chocolate brown that it was. Much prettier. I was suggested to leave the inside as is, because it inside wasn't in all that bad a shape. But I'm thinking I might want to paint it the inside too. But just give me your opinion if you think I should paint the inside of it. I'll have to cover up these strips because I won't get them to stick again, and they're in pretty good shape. They protect the record from chips. There's the back. And I even painted the bottom of it. I don't know what those holes are for, unless it had like some rubber feet on it at one time. But much cleaner and much nicer now than it was.